Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. We completed complex numbers. De Moivre's theorem, complex number completed. In your MCET materials, you do that. Problems, De Moivre's theorem. Second chapter in second year, Maths. In De Moivre's theorem, total shortcuts we discuss in our topic today. Shortcuts. Here, cos theta plus I sin theta is equals to, we say this cos theta plus I sin theta as cis theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is equals to cis theta. Here you see this cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equals to cos n theta plus I sin theta n theta. Okay, here this is cis theta. Cis theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Then cis theta here cis theta also we can write as e power I theta. Short form, this is short form e power I theta. Cis theta and cis minus theta. Cis of minus theta is equals to cos of minus theta plus I sin of minus theta, that is equals to cos of minus theta cos theta. Theta value positive in 180 coordinate. Next this is negative, sin value is negative, so I sin theta. Here e power I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Next e power minus I theta. Cis theta is also known as e power I theta. Okay, this is shortcut. Remind this cos theta minus I sin theta. Here e power alpha, two different terms, e power angles, two different angles, e power alpha and e power beta, that is equals to, bases are equal, exponent should be added, e power alpha plus beta. Bases are equal, exponent should be added, e power alpha plus beta. Okay, are you understand this? Yes. Okay, next step is e means cis of alpha into cis of beta, that also is equals to cis of alpha plus beta. Yeah, this is the long method to find out this. This is a shortcut. Remind this shortcut. Here you see this cos of alpha plus I sin theta sin alpha into cos of this long method cos of beta plus I sin beta is equals to cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin of alpha plus beta. Here cis alpha by cis beta, that is equals to e power I alpha by e power I beta, means e power I of alpha minus beta. E power I of alpha minus beta. Here I of alpha plus beta. Here alpha plus means multiplying means plus. Here dividing means minus. Okay, multiplying means plus, dividing means minus. We'll get next another important shortcuts. One value in terms of cos cis angles, 1 is equals to cos 0 plus I sin 0 is equals to I 0. minus 1 value cos of pi. These are most important. I value, 1 value, minus 1 value, I value, minus I value. These are most important one. Remind this: cos pi plus I sin pi, that is equals to ei pi. Then cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. This 0 plus here sin pi by 2 value 1. 1 into means is equals to I. We get I. That is equals to e power plus pi by 2. I pi by 2. Next, cos pi by 2 minus I sin pi by 2 is equals to e power I 3 pi by 2. Angle e power I 3 pi by 2. Here minus means angles. You learn most this. Remind this. In our next problems, you will directly write I value and minus I value. Okay. Next, here first problem. First problem. If x is equals to cis theta x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is equals to dash. Okay, x means x equals to ei theta, that is equals to ei theta whole power 6 plus 1 by ei theta whole to the power of 6. Here ei 6 theta plus e minus I 6 theta. Here this in cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus I sin 6 theta. I sin 6 theta and minus I sin 6 theta is cancelled. 2 cos 6 theta. 2 cos 6. Next, second problem. If a comma b comma c or angles of triangle ABC such that x is equals to cis A, then y is equals to cis B, z is equals to cis C. Then x, y, z value find. Means x is equals to cis A. Solution: x is equals to cis A and y is equals to cis B and z is equals to cis C. X is equals to cis A means x is equals to EIA, then y is equals to EIB, z is equals to EIC. X, Y, Z is equals to EIA plus EIA into EIB into EIC, that is equals to EI of A plus bases are equal, exponents will be added these values, and cis of A plus B plus C. Sum of the interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Cis 180, that is equals to cis cos 180 plus I sin 180. I sin 180 value is 0. Cos 180 value is equals to minus 1. Okay. Homework problem. You should write this problem and comment in our comment section. If x is equals to cis theta and x power 6 minus 1 by x power 6 is equals to dash. Same like the first problem, we repeated this first problem. x is equals to 6 theta and x power 6, x is equals to e I theta, I whole power 6 plus I whole power minus 6. Just the difference is here plus means here minus. Next, cos 6 theta, cos 6 means cos 6 theta plus I sin 6 theta plus minus 6 e minus I theta means cos 6 theta minus I 6 theta is equals to 2. This minus I sin 6 theta and minus plus I sin 6 theta is equals to cancel, then that value is equals to 2 cos 6 theta. Okay, this homework problem you comment in comment section. Anyone can try this and send me answer. X is equals to 6 theta and x power 6 minus 1 by x power 6. You has this answer. Do like this only. Okay, keep answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super Srinivas. Don't forget to subscribe.